Hello children, hope you have revised the definition that we have sent. Now we will start with exercise 5.1. See in the book. For which of these would you use histogram to show the data? Now, as discussed, histogram width and bars are of the same and they are joined side by side. The number of letters form different areas of the postman bag. You will use no. Our answer will be no because we can't divide the interval. B part. The height of competitors in an athletic meet. Yes, we can divide them in simple interval of different groups. C part. The number of cases produced by 5 companies. No, we can't because size will be same and it will not be different. D part. The number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yes, we have all the intervals and all the data, so we can show the data using a histogram. So this is our first question. Yes children, for question number 2 also I am just reading it from the book and you can do it very easily. It says the shoppers who came to the department store are marked as men. Man as M, woman as W, boy as B, and girl as Z. So what you will do? You will write the type of shoppers. M for man, W for woman. Just see M for man, W for woman, B for boys, and G for girls. This is the type of shoppers. Next, what you will do? We will now find its tally marks and its counting. See, tally marks. I hope it is visible. Yes. Now number of shoppers. First of all, from the given data, find out how many men visited it. Just check out, count the number 1 2 3. Here you will count like this, okay? M count that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So number of students is almost 15. So that means number of shoppers like men, then we will find number of shoppers of women, then boys. Here we will write at the last total. Now count number of women. We will count W. Just count the W 1 2 3 and going so on. It comes out to be 28. Then count boys. It comes out to be only B 1 2 3 4 5. Count number of girls in the same way, it will be 12. Now just see how we will represent these data now. 15 in the table of tally marks by represented by 1 2 3 4. This will be 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 15. So this is the representation of the tally marks. Just see, count the number of boys. 1 boy, 2 boy, 3 boy, then 4 boy. Okay, then this one is the 5th boy, only 5. So how we will write boys? 1 2 3 4 5. Now 28. That means we have to write them in first of all Roman. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 5 10. 15. 20, 25, 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 25 plus 3, 23. In the same way, 12. Count first 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you have to make it 5, make a line. This is our 15. Sorry, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2 Roman, but total is 12. So total counting you can write and very easily. Clear children? Now add them, you can write the total here. So this is what we have done now, question number 2. Now children, we will understand about question number 3. The weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory is given 830 like this. So on. We have to make a tally marks making frequency distribution table from 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and what we have told you in the live class also, from 800 to 810 use a pointer to note that only 800 से लेकर 809 तक, from 800 to 809 will be counted. You will check 800, 801, 802, 803, 804, 805, 6, 7, 8 like 9. only ये देखो 804, 808, 812 that will be in the next interval. That will be in the next interval. Now we will make a interval and frequency distribution table. Just see how. Now see children, I have made a frequency distribution table for question number 3. It says class interval tally marks frequency from 800 to 810. Count the number of frequencies. I have written already 3. Then what will be the tally marks? 1, 2, 3. Then from 800 to 820 only 810 से लेकर 19 819 तक काउंट हो गए. 820 नेक्स्ट इंटरवल में 2, 1, 2, 1. Now from 830 to 840 there are 9 values. Write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope this is easier now. From 840 to 850 total is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then value is 1. From 860 to 870 value is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then value 1, again value 1. From 890 to 900 means 899 तक हमने काउंट करना है. That will be value 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can check from your table. So total value is 30. So this is our table of class interval tally marks, and we call it as frequency distribution table. We call it as frequency distribution table. Then you can draw the bar graph as it is whenever it is given. Even you can draw the histogram also. Now you know how to draw a bar graph and double bar graph or histogram. You can easily do it. Clear children? Now for question number, after that we will understand about question number 4. In question number 3 we have drawn this data. 800, 810 value is 3. 810 to 820 t. So in question number 4 it says now draw a histogram. How we will do it? First of all, along the x-axis with the help of scale make a line along the y-axis as well. Then draw the intervals. Start from origin 0 along y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That will be the number of workers. Along x-axis weekly wages. Now we have to start from origin. That means 800 or 810. See, 800 or 810 cannot be directly drawn. So we will put a clink here. It is called clink. That is, there is a gap. Then write the values 800, 810, 20, 30, 40, 50 and up to 900. Now you can just see from 810 to 810 value was 3. With the help of scale you can measure 3 and join them. Then as we know in histogram the bars of equal width are joined side by side. For next part it is 2, 1 and 9. Just see. Join with the help of scale 2, then 1, then 9. 9 will be along the upper line. Join it. Then in the way we can complete our histogram. Clear children? Now in this part he says which group has maximum number of workers. See, highest कहाँ पर बन रहा है? I think here है ना. 9 is the highest. तो which group? 830 to 840. We can write 830 to 840 group has the highest worker. I can write here. Now second part, how many workers earn 850 and more? 850 से ज़्यादा कौन कमाते हैं? Count it. 1, 3, 1, 1 and here it is 4. So total of, count करो, 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, 6 or 4 10. You can see in this table. Group 830 and 840 has a maximum value 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. That is total of 10 workers earn 850. 850 से ज़्यादा here. Now the last part, how many workers less than 850? और जो less than 850 means इससे backward चले जाओ. Count it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Then 9. Then 5, that is less than 850. Counted 20 workers. So total of 20 workers earn less than 850. Hope you were able to draw histogram and using the frequency distribution table. Now see children, it is question number 5. It says how many students, the question is given, the number of hours for which students of a particular class watch television or so TV watch per day through the given graph and number of students. The histogram is already given to us. The histogram is already given to us. See the difference, 0, 1, 2, 3. There is no link. 0, 4, 8, 12. So width is same. It says answer the following question. First one. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? Now we have to find the maximum number of students who watch the TV. Just see, maximum value is 12. So I think first part answer will be 4 to 5 hours. Clear? Now the second question, you can see it from your book. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Now less than 4 hours will be along this side. So less than 4 hours, count it, 4 plus 8 plus 22. 28, 30, 30 plus 4, 34 students watch for less than 4 hours. Now the last part, what the question says, you can read. How many students spent more than 5 hours on watching TV? More than 5 hours. See, 5 hours. So count it. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So 14 students spend more than 5 hours watching TV. So this is from the bar graph of histogram we can analyze very easily. It is less than 4, it is more than 5, and you were able to do the question very easily. Thank you. Yes children, now I am going to just revise the topic again. This is our class interval. Now from this class interval, if we have to write any values, how we will write it? Just understand, I am going to do it. Here from it, first of all, write down the class interval. What will be the class interval? 800 to 810. Then 810, 820 and so on till 890 to 900. They are all class intervals. They are all class interval. Is it okay? Good. Now for the interval 800 to 810, write the lower class limit and upper class limit. The starting one, it is called lower class limit. It is called lower class limit, and this one is called upper class limit. Clear? This is called upper class limit for a particular class interval. For 800 to 810, this is. Now for any interval 860 to 870, 870 is called the lower class interval and 870 is called the upper class interval. Clear, children? Okay, hope you this is clear. Now we have to find the width or the size. Width or the size of the class interval. For it, we will find the difference between upper limit and lower class limit. Just check out for any value. For the first interval 800 to 810, what is the width or the size? That is equals to upper class limit minus lower class limit. Find the difference now. 810 minus 800. See, it is 10. For all these class intervals, their width or size will be same. You can check. 820 minus 810, that will be equals to 10. So width or the size of this interval for each is 10. Okay. Now range you always know highest value minus lowest value. Now the main important part, we need to find the class mark. That is not given in your book, but you have to understand it very carefully. Class mark, it is termed like as average. For any particular interval, you will add lower class limit and upper class limit divided by 2 for any particular class interval. For example, I have been told to find the class limit of class mark of 860 to 870 interval. Find the class mark. What you will do? 860 plus 870 upon 2. Find it. Add karo. 1730 divided by 2. Divide it. 2 8 16. 1 carry. 2 6 12. 1 carry. 2 5 10. So for the class interval 860 and 870, 860y is the value of the class mark. For any class interval, value of class mark will always be different. You have to add lower limit, upper limit divided by 2. In the same way, you can find by using the formula lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. You can find all the class mark. Okay, children? So I hope this is clear to it. Now from this figure you can find, name the class interval which has same frequency. Just see, this one, this one, this one, this one. 820 to 830, 850 to 860, 870 to 880, 880 to 890 are the class interval having same frequency. So whichever form the question come, you can do the analyze and do this question. So this 5.1 is finished. Do complete your homework. After that we are going to discuss circle graph.